them just like you. Tell that bitch I don't like you. Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. A boss. Real one.
Love Taylor here, back to you with another video. So today, my loves, I'm gonna talk about this beautiful hairstyle I just got. I got my hair done today, and it is the tribal braids. Now, I know you all know the tribal braids are super popular. This is my second time getting the tribal braids. The main reason I want to do a review on this hair is because this time I switched it up. I got a different type of hair. I really love the curls. I really love the goddess braids, and I wanted to incorporate that somehow into my tribal braids. So this time I got the Freetress braids. It's the hippie braids. So as you can see, they look like regular box braids, but then they get curly at the end. I ordered about 6 packs from Amazon. I had a bundle deal for $53, so it was a great deal. And I got it in a color 1B, and like I said, they're crochet braids, so it's easy to, you know, install. It was a very quick install for my hairdresser. I got 2 packs of pre-stretch braiding hair. So as you can see, this hair is braided here into this pattern, the tribal braid pattern at the front, using that pre-stretch braided hair. And then the rest of my hair here is crochet in using that Freetress braided hippie hair. This hair is 22 inches long. So if you are wanting an idea of what it looks like here, with that 22 inches, comes to about your chest area here, or just a little down your back. It's just the right length for me. I love it. I'm in love with this hairstyle. It's the traditional tribal braid style with a twist. That's what I'm getting with this. Like I said, if you have a good braider, or if you are a good braider, it's a really quick install with doing the back of your hair as crochet versus doing the individual braids for the tribal braid style. So far, so good with this hair. It is synthetic hair, of course. So the upkeep is gonna be relatively easy, especially with me getting it wet and with the warm climate that I'm in. I'm just gonna still continue to wrap my hair to maintain this style so it looks nice and fresh. I am going on vacation this weekend, so that was the main reason for me getting this hairstyle. I'm gonna be doing a lot of activity that involves water and heat, so I needed something that was easy to maintain, but also something with a lot of versatility. The one thing I love about the tribal braids is there's a lot of versatility. It reminds me of the classic cornrows with a twist. So instead of it just being that slick back with the cornrows, you know, all you can do is put like in a bun or ponytail, or just kind of let them hang. With this, I can put my hair up, I can put it in a bun, I can put it in 2 buns. I can do so much with this hairstyle. So I am gonna make another video showing you an assortment of hairstyles you can do with the tribal braid styles. Yeah, loves, the main point of this video was just to give you a short review on this hair and all about the tribal braids. Like I said, 22 inches. This is in the color 1B, crocheted in the back. Pre-stretched braiding here for the front area. All in all, this hairstyle took about 3 hours to achieve. I did go to a braiding shop here in Charlotte. She is relatively quick, but for the most part, this is it was pretty quick and simple. You just gotta know what you're doing at the front here. But if you could just even find someone who could just braid the front for you if you're not good at braiding, the crocheting was pretty easy. It took her like 20 minutes to crochet this hair in, and it only took 4 packs. I ordered the 6-pack bundle on Amazon, but it only took 4 packs for this hair. So if you're needing to know how much hair you probably need with this, if your hair's head is like the circumference of mine, 4 packs is all I needed. So yeah, loves, I just want to update you on that. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I will be sure to answer any questions. I'll also try to put as much info into my description box. But yeah, loves, I hope this review helps you. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos coming to you from me. Until next time, bye my loves.
Trippin', it's this one thing that got me trippin'. It did. This one thing you saw me.